Hello everyone, this is new update for the game, and as you can see, I have now added actual character sprites. I got the running animation, the sliding, the jumping, the idle sprites, so that, well, basic gestures of what the player is doing. I've also started working on more detailed lighting. I've got overhead lights, spotlights, point lights, pretty much your basic group of lighting, which I'm going to be using to light up the entire level. Now, I believe I've actually reached a certain point when I should be able to start making a demo level, like a demo of the game, and I am very excited to finish it and actually put up this project on Kickstarter. So going further down, I've actually I've improved the stats of the player's abilities. As you can see, he can jump higher now, and the height of his jump is actually controlled by the player. If the player releases the button halfway through the jump, that halfway point is going to be the height of that specific jump. So in the same manner, the jump length is increased, and the player is able to stop in the mid-jump, which the combination of those two features really give me it gives me a much larger variety of level complexities that I can build. I can now put more hazards and put more challenges because there's going to be quite a bit of calculation done on the player's part. As you can see, I also have parallax backgrounds now, which add a nice touch of depth to the level, so that's really nice. And as I said multiple times, this game is a co-op game. And I now have an opportunity to show you exactly what the co-op counterpart of this game looks like. Alright, we got player 1 and player 2 in two different colored jumpsuits, so that you could tell the difference. Both players share the same stats, same mechanics, and same abilities. And this entire co-op game, as I said, the co-op is the main part of the game. So the single player is going to have some different maps, and it's going to feature, well, it's going to feature its own gameplay. But the co-op is my main concern. One thing that I still have to implement is the player deaths. At this point, it's really first or second on my list. The game revolves around one player depending on the other player's ability to play the game. And that means if the player 1 dies too many times in a certain period of time, the second player dies too. If one player falls off the screen, the second player dies too. And, well, to tell you honest, I'm gonna tell you a little secret of what I want this game to be. I want this game to destroy friendships. I want two players, two friends, enter the first level, and by the end of the game, they will be mortal enemies. I truly want to make this game as rage-inducing as possible. You've already seen the video with all the objects that are trying to kill you, and I've put some surprises there. A couple of things that will screw around with the player, and well, at this point in time I only have to complete a couple more things before I am able to make a demo level. Fun little fact is the soundtrack that you're listening to right now is actually a soundtrack for this game. I was writing music for practice, and this soundtrack came to mind. I use as a theme from our YouTube channel where we do gaming videos, and the idea just came to me. We could have a parkour rage-inducing game, and that's basically what set off the wheels for this project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation. I just have to do a couple more things before I'm ready to start on the demo level. And the demo level will allow you to play with your friend, and it's gonna be like a challenge level. It's gonna be a single level where you have to get from point A to point B, and there's no saves, no checkpoint. If you die, you're gonna have to start from the beginning, and this is just to warm you up for the actual game. Alright, well, I hope you guys are keeping in touch with this project, and I will see you next time with the next update.